My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Birdfy app for the first time. So guys, to set up the Birdfy app for the first time, charge the camera. So take the camera out of the box and plug it in using the provided USB Type-C cable and charge it until the indicator lights turn off. And another thing is guys, download the app and create a account. So search for Birdfy in the App Store or the Google Play Store, or they scan the QR code on your product box. Open the app and sign up for the account and verify your email address. After that, prepare the camera for pairing. Make sure your smartphone or the tablet is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and Birdfy camera do not support the 5 GHz network. So guys, turn the camera on by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds until you see the blinking blue lights and hear the chime sound. Then guys, pair your camera. So open your Birdfy app and tap the option of plus icon and add a Birdfy on the home page. Then follow the on-screen prompts and select your specified devices. The app will generate a QR code on your screen. Then hold your phone screen about 5 to 8 inches in the front of Birdfy camera lenses until you hear the prompt tone to indicate it has scanned the code successfully. When you prompt the tone indicating it has scanned the code successfully, then guys, test the connection. The device may be displayed as a offline for the few minutes while it configure. Then you refresh the device list until it shows an offline online. Then guys, tap the option of live tap to ensure you have clear video feed before mounting unit orders. Okay, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.